My name is Blanca Perez. I am 39 years old. I have studied music administration. I have a husband and I work as cashier and like to read. Activity. Tell about an experience of a trip. Tell about the climate of the place you describe in your current experience and give some recommendations on what you be taken into account according to the weather. Give recommendation to plan a trip to place you describe infogram. Stage 1. Go a trip. Last vacation I went to Villavicencio. I stayed there for a month and went with my husband. I like it because on the one ship I just pay $7 for lunch. I like it because there were a lot of places to visit. I come back usually 2 weeks ago because I start working. Stage 2. What the word like your description. The weather in Villavicencio changes every day. In the morning it is usually sunny. Your recommendation. It is recommended to use sunscreen because has an irregularity heat that causes during the day. 3. It's important to use sunscreen to protect and be dry. 4. It is advisable that people wear up. Office recommendation people to close windows, door and sweep reform in the first place. 6. They recommend to be a safe place and necessary list of makeup elements. 7. I come and touch your bed with screen and hat for here. 8. They need to be warm and avoid being exposed to high temperature. Stay free. You should keep your passport. What people should do? Use the necessary elements of protection. Know the earth and feel and really inside to hold good penetration and carry the basic date of each family member in case of emergency. What people should do? Do not leave personal belongings to strangers. Do not go to shares of river when it's dangerous. Thank you.